This video is on potty training and what you can do to make the process more engaging and successful for your child. This is one video in a large playlist, so click through, look at all the different strategies, and see which ones fit your child. Now, if you haven't done a personalized potty, this can be very engaging for kids. Having your child decorate their own potty seat with little stickers or whatever it is that they are excited by can be a very fun process and just make toilet training a bit more engaging. So if you have a child that's very disinterested and needs a little bit of a push, a little bit of motivation, personalizing the potty seat can be a lot of fun. So give this one a try and see if it helps.